Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah, next example in the reaction time model only. This time the information is given. Suppose the vehicle is moving with 20 meters per second. So it is observed some danger at a distance of 50 meters and it has to stop here. So the velocity is equivalent to 0. It has to stop. Now this is something is danger here. The driver observes the danger and applies the brakes. Meanwhile, that reaction time. So reaction time, this is T0 and this is also not given. During that reaction time, it has traveled the distance x, let us take, and what is the time here? T0. Now after this distance, the velocity still it is maintaining 20 meters per second, but brakes are applied, and brakes are applied with a rate, it is flowing at a rate of 5 meters per second square. Okay, now in the same case as again they are asking us what is reaction time and what is the distance it travel during the reaction time, and these are the questions. Now again, to solve this, we divide this into two parts. This is the part, and what is the distance? 50 minus x, because total distance is 50 and during the reaction time it has traveled the distance x. Therefore this distance is nothing but 50 minus x. This 50 minus x is the distance travel, and while this distance is covering, it is slowing down, so it is having deceleration. Now let's take a second part. What is that second part? For this we are taking initial velocity 20 meters per second, acceleration minus 5 meters per second square, and what is the distance? It is nothing but 50 minus x, and final velocity is equivalent to 0, isn't it? Yeah. Now what is the equation we can use? Use v square is equivalent to u square plus 2a. So s is equivalent to v square minus u square by 2a. Okay, hope it's clear to you, right? S is equivalent to final velocity 0 minus initial velocity, so 20 square upon 2 into minus 5. So S is equivalent to minus 400 upon minus 10. So S is equivalent to, yeah, how much is that? 40 meters. So what is 40 meters? 50 minus x is 40 meters. 50 minus x is equivalent to 40 meters. Yeah. So then x is equivalent to 50 minus 40, 10 meters. So what is 10 meters? The distance it traveled during the reaction time. Now how to calculate reaction time? So reaction time T0 is equivalent to, it's a distance by speed. So T0 is equivalent to distance 10 meters upon what is the speed it is traveling during the reaction time? 20 meters per second. Okay, so T0 is equivalent to 1 by 2, that is nothing but 0.5 seconds, and this is the answer to the question. Okay, yeah, thank you.